Hi, this is John with WTI. And I just recently got myself my first car. And one of the things that I'm always so focused when it comes to all my environments is to smell clean, is to smell fresh. And this is where this K29 air freshener stone comes into place. And one of the things that I like the most about this stone is how good it smells. This cinnamon smell, you just taste, and it just smells awesome. So what I do is that I put this around and near to my air conditioner or one of the compartments on the car, and it's just going all around the car. And the compliment and the fact that you can go around in your car smelling really nice and having this great sensation of clean, and not only clean, smelling great for long periods of time. So if you're really trying to make your car smell great for longer periods, this just does a great job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.